One has to become dependent on Krishna. The devotee who is without hatred for any person, adveshta, sarvabhutanam. Maitra, he's a friend to all living entities. And he's merciful, karuna, without possessiveness, nirmama, nirahankara, and without false identification with the body. Samadukha sukha shami. Samadukha sukha. Samadukha sukha shami. He's equal in happiness and distress. Tolerant. So in these 7 verses, verse 13 through 20 of chapter 12 of Gita, which is called Bhakti Yoga, Krishna summarizes the qualities that are common in all the devotees to different degrees, whether one's an Ekanta Bhakta, the Parinishtita, or the Nirapeksha Bhakta, and those that are not Ekanta Bhakta. They all will have these qualities. The devotee, this is Baladev Vidyabhushan's commentary. The devotee is devoid of hatred towards any living beings, understanding that those who are inimical towards himself show hatred which is arranged by the Lord in accordance with his prarabdha karmas. What's that verse? You hear what I said? Devotee doesn't hate anyone because he sees that Krishna has arranged all this because this is my karma fal. What chapter?
10th canto, 14th chapter.
Yeah, what number?